In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data to Microsoft Lists. Whether you're transferring a dataset for a new project or organizing information more efficiently, this process is both practical and straightforward. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open a web browser of your choice and search for Microsoft Lists. This platform is an excellent tool for managing lists and collaborating with others. Once you're on the Microsoft Lists homepage, you'll find a Sign In button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to sign in. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password to access Microsoft Lists. Make sure you're using your registered email associated with Microsoft services. Once you've entered your credentials, hit the Sign In button and you'll be taken to the Microsoft Lists main interface. On this homepage, you'll see an option to create a new list. It's typically displayed conspicuously under the header. Click on New List to begin the process of importing your Excel data. Among the various options presented, you'll notice one specifically for creating a list from an Excel file. This is exactly what we need for our task today. Select this option and you'll be prompted to choose the Excel file you wish to import from your computer. Be sure you've saved the file in an easily accessible location to streamline this step. After selecting your file, Microsoft Lists will take a moment to analyze the contents. During this step, the system will suggest column types based on the data it evaluates. It's a powerful tool that can accurately recognize most column formats, but you always have the option to adjust these suggestions manually. If there are columns you don't want to be included in your new list, you can choose to exclude them as well. Once you're satisfied with the column selections, it's time to give your new list a personalized touch. Enter a title that makes sense for the content you're working with. You can also add an optional description to provide more context or details about the list's purpose. Additionally, choose a color and an icon that visually represent the nature of your list, making it easily identifiable at a glance. Now decide where you'd like to save your newly created list. You have flexibility here. You can choose to save it to your personal OneDrive for solitary projects or a shared team site for collaborative efforts. After you have configured all these settings to your liking, there's nothing left to do but click Create to finalize the entire process. With just a few simple steps, your Excel data is now neatly organized in a Microsoft list, ready for use.